Ever find yourself needing to block a website? Maybe it's to stop distractions while you're trying to work, or perhaps you don't want someone else accidentally visiting the wrong places on your computer. Whatever the reason, I'm going to walk you through the best way to do it right in your Chrome browser, step by step. Stick with me to the end. First off, open up Chrome and head over to the Chrome Web Store using chromewebstore.google.com. Just type "Stay Focused" into the search bar up top and hit Enter. Look for the extension called Stay Focused in the results and hit that Add to Chrome button. A little pop-up will ask you to confirm, so just click Add Extension there too. Say yes to the quick setup. It needs to be installed. Once it's done, you'll spot a small blue clock icon near your address bar. That means it's ready to go. If you've got a bunch of extensions like I usually do, you might need to click the puzzle piece icon first to find it. Just pin it up so it's easy to see. Now give that blue clock icon a click. A little menu will pop down, and you want to choose Settings from there. On the Settings page, find the Blocked Sites section. This is where you add the web addresses you want to block. Type in each URL you need to restrict. You can add as many as you want. Let's block Facebook example. Add that in. See you later, Zuckerberg. Then make sure you set the time limit to 0 and hit Save. Now if I try to open Facebook, yep, it's blocked. Just like that. You can also control when Stay Focused blocks those sites. Back in the Settings menu, check out the Active Days and Active Hours options. This lets you set it up so sites are only blocked during your work hours, or maybe just on specific days, whatever works best for you. There's another handy feature too. If you really need to lock things down for work or study, you can flip it around. Instead of blocking specific sites, you can tell Stay Focused to only allow certain websites you need and block everything else. Pretty useful for deep focus sessions. So that's basically it. Using Stay Focused in Chrome is a straightforward way to block those distracting websites. It helps you stay on track, cuts out the noise, and honestly, it's super easy to set up, even if you've never used an extension before. Hope this helps you stay focused. If you found the video useful, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment saying like too. I try to thank everyone personally. All right, take care.